Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most delicious and nutritious fruit juices out there, Starfruit juice. Many people have never tried Starfruit, let alone its juice. So, we are here to discuss the benefits of Starfruit juice and why you should definitely give it a try. Boosts immunity. Starfruit juice is loaded with vitamin C, which is known to boost the immune system. A single serving of Starfruit juice can provide up to 50% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C, making it an excellent way to stay healthy and ward off infections. Promotes digestion. The high fiber content in Starfruit juice helps to regulate digestion and prevent constipation. It also contains natural digestive enzymes that help to break down food more efficiently and reduce bloating. Aids weight loss. Starfruit juice is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an ideal addition to any weight loss plan. The fiber content in the juice helps to keep you feeling fuller for longer periods, which can help reduce your overall caloric intake. Improves eye health. Starfruit juice contains vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight. It also contains antioxidants that protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to eye diseases like macular degeneration. Reduces inflammation. The antioxidants present in Starfruit juice help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to many chronic diseases. It also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help alleviate pain and discomfort. Boosts heart health. Starfruit juice is rich in potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and improve heart health. It also contains compounds that can help to lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. So there you have it, the many benefits of Starfruit juice. From boosting immunity and promoting digestion to aiding weight loss and improving heart health, this delicious and nutritious fruit juice is definitely worth adding to your diet. If you haven't tried Starfruit juice yet, we highly recommend giving it a try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.